Good morning, Orchard Hollow Huskies. This is Mrs. Harris with your morning announcements. Today is Wednesday, December 16th, 2020. Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance.
Pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Hello, this is Louie Ileana with your best pledge. To be my best at Orchard Hollow, I will be aware of my mind and motions, do excellent work, stick up for others when needed, treat others as they should treat me. I will reach higher to be my best self at Orchard Hollow.
Happy birthday today to Garrett Latcher and Gino Ragonjic. We hope you guys have a great day. And now for our joke of the day. What did Jack Frost say to Frosty the Snowman? Have an ice day. Help us spread some holiday cheer this week by taking part in one or all of the Orchard Hollow theme days before break. Today is Wednesday, Christmas Vacation Day. Dress for the beach with a Hawaiian shirt, sunglasses, or bring out your beach towel. A reminder that today we are on our remote Wednesday schedule. That means we start our day at 8:45 with morning meeting, and our instructional day will end at 11:45. Make it a great day, Huskies! Where will the Orchard Hollow Elf on the Shelf go next?